The reason why almost all of your clothes are either black or blue or have the same style is mostly because you shop at the same place or places. Okay, so raise your hand if you dread work mornings for the sole reason that you have to pick out a new outfit to wear. Raise your hand if you have a lot of clothes in your wardrobe. Raise your hand if 80% of the clothes in your wardrobe you do not wear. What the? Hello guys, it's your girl Mary. Welcome to today's video. If you're watching for the first time, it's a pleasure to meet you. It makes me so happy that you're here today. Stay to the end of this video because I have a lot of things for you. So without much further ado, let's dive in. Today I have 7 rules of a walkable closet. 7 rules that if you follow, you will have a lot of things to wear in your wardrobe. 7 rules that will help you have a more spacious wardrobe, a more walkable wardrobe, a more stylish wardrobe. The first rule, rule number 1, is do not buy something or anything, outfit, clothes, that you get to wear just once. Yes, I know it's tempting. Your birthday is coming, or you have a dinner or a date and you just want to go shop for something new because you feel, I gotta look fashionable. I have to look fashionable. I have to look beautiful. But why wanting to look fashionable and beautiful? Ensure that you don't buy an outfit that will only serve for that purpose. Buy something that you can wear severally, or don't buy at all. Consider renting, or you consider wearing your previous clothes, because I'm sure you have a lot of pretty clothes. Remember, it's just a few hours and it's totally not worth wasting a lot of money to buy new clothes that you probably will not wear again and will just end up taking space in your wardrobe. So rule number 2, don't keep clothes that don't fit you anymore. This really reminds me of when I was in the university. I had a shirt, it was so beautiful and it entered me, it fitted me, I could actually wear it, but it was so tight that whenever I wear it, it's as if I cannot breathe. So I kept it. I said I'll lose weight. When I lose weight, it will be less tight and I'll be able to rock my shirt. That never happened, like never. Right now, I don't even know what part of my wardrobe that shirt is. And I have a lot of other clothes that go that way, that have the same stuff, came to me in that pattern, and they're just there lying down. And that is the beginning of the end of a walkable, of a wardrobe that you cannot use, that is the beginning of a full useless wardrobe. So whenever you have a clothes that do not fit you, give it out, donate it, or sell it, or burn it. Do whatever you like, but don't just keep it lying in your closet, because it will occupy space. You will think you have clothes until when it comes to going out or changing an outfit, then you realize you actually have nothing to wear. You have a lot of nothing to wear, which can be just so annoying. So get rid of clothes that doesn't fit. The 3rd rule, don't buy something that does not fit your style. I know it's easy to buy something on impulse, or because you go out with your friends to the store and they're picking up clothes and you just want to pick one, and then you really don't see anyone you like, but because you just have to buy, you feel like you just have to buy, so you buy something that isn't really your style and you end up never wearing it. Don't buy stuff you cannot wear. Don't buy stuff that doesn't look good on you, because you will never wear it and it will just keep occupying your space. You won't be able to give it out because probably you bought it with a lot of money and yet you can wear it. So you have a cluttered wardrobe. that is no good to anybody. Don't buy clothes because it's trendy. Don't buy clothes because you feel pressure to buy. Buy only what you really like so that you can wear it and it will be useful to you. The fourth rule, is it four? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, yeah. The fourth rule is kind of related to the third rule, but this one is do not buy clothes because it's on sale or it's on they're doing a huge discount or a huge sale. A lot of people, sometimes me, walk into a store and because it's cheap, it's cheap, so you buy it. That's a bad reason to buy it. That's a bad reason to buy anything, because in that moment you're not using your brain. You're not thinking, do I need this? Will this be useful to me? You're just after the money. You're just seeing the little money that's going to go out of your purse to acquire this new piece that you may not really need and you may not ever wear. And so never do that. Don't be that. And if you used to do that, put an end to that. Put an end to it. Put an end to it. Never buy anything again just because it's on sale. Before you buy something, ask yourself, do I really need it? Would I still like it 3 years from now? And if the answer is no, drop it. Drop it. Do not go with it. Drop it. Drop it. Do not go with it. The fifth rule is to get rid of something. When you buy something, get rid of something. It sounds like what? But yeah, that is a good strategy to ensure that you don't buy what you don't really like. Because then you know, if you take this piece home, that means one other piece that you already like will have to go, maybe through donation or whatever, however you want to give out, maybe to give it to a friend. Or so you get to buy only clothes that are actually worth it, because you know that one cloth will have to leave your closet. It will help you control your buying, and it will help you have a workable closet. So rule number 6, make efforts to discover new brands. That's my rule number 6. The reason why almost all of your clothes are either black or blue or have the same style is mostly because you shop at the same place or places. So if you want to have a more stylish wardrobe, make the effort of discovering new designers, new brands, new clothes stores. In that way, you will be able to discover new styles that are not seen everywhere, styles that are unique and are different to what you already have. That way it will help you reduce repeating clothes that you already have, and it will help you have a more stylish and workable wardrobe. Also, who knows, the clothes might even be less expensive than a regular store because they're new, which may not always be the case, because I know most designer things come out and they're just really expensive. So know what's in your wardrobe. It's easy to forget clothes, especially clothes hidden at the back of our wardrobe that we haven't worn for years. And most times we find ourselves buying clothes that we already have, maybe styles that we already have, because we really don't know where those ones are. We think maybe we've given it out, or we actually have no idea. So me personally, I forget. Sometimes I see a top and like, ooh, so I see I have this top, or ooh, I can't remember buying this top. And that's mostly because I don't buy my clothes, but who's asking? Before you buy new clothes, have an accurate idea of what you already have. Have a clear idea of what you already have, and that can happen when you declutter your wardrobe. Just bring out everything and rearrange. That way you'll be able to see everything. You'll be able to know what you have and what you don't have. And a little extra tip from me that I do is sometimes I make a list of my kind of a wish list of clothes that I need, and so whenever I'm shopping, I just go with that list, and it helps me buy things that I truly need and not just pick random things in the store, because some stores have really beautiful things that can confuse us. So you have to have some kind of control measure so that you don't just buy a lot of stuff that you don't need. That's all my tips and tricks for today, although today were rules. So that's all my rules for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it to the end, congratulations, you're the best. Excuse me, you are the best. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video very useful, pause. A recap of all I said, in case you're jotting down and got lost somewhere, is do not buy something or anything that you can wear just once. My second rule is do not keep something that doesn't fit you anymore in terms of size. Number 3 is do not buy something that's not your style. That is reduce impulse or pressure buying. 4, which is kind of related to 3, is do not buy something because it's on discount or sale. I think I should stop saying something. We're talking of clothes, so do not buy clothes that is on discount or sale, because that is the quickest way to buy a lot of things that you don't need and you will not wear. Next one is when you buy something, get rid of something. So basically it's the 1 in 1 out rule. The next rule is to make efforts to discover new brands, and the last is to know what's in your wardrobe. Just rearrange your wardrobe, redecorate it. That's a strategy in which will help you know what's in your wardrobe and what you need to buy and what you need to get rid of, what doesn't fit, what's no longer your style, and all of that. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you made it to this far, you were amazing and I love you. Thank you so much. If you found this video useful or if you learned something from this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. That will make me really very excited and happy. Thank you so much once again, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.